Hello YouTube, and a quick life update. It's been 4 years since I did my last vlog, so I'm in London doing my MSc in Marketing Management from University of Westminster. Let me quickly show you my room. So this is the study, the entrance, and there's a washroom right there. And this is my bed, and that's the view. So this area where I'm at is called West Hampstead. And there's a zone 2 of London, which is very close to Abbey Road, so, and also 4 stops to my college to Baker Street. To kickstart my day today, I'll be going to the Radha Krishna temple. So let's see after 4 years, I think. It's been a long time. This is the place I live.